Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe, and is it ready to make a test at new all-time highs? Is the bottom in, or are we just going to be seeing a bounce that brings us some relief before a further breakdown to the downside? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so first things first, we're going to start over here on the daily chart for Pepe, and we have broken below the super bull trend, and we have broken below support at about 5064381. That's a lot of numbers, but now we are bouncing back up and testing the bullish super trend here. Now, you may say, Blacksea, does this mean that the bottom is in? I'm going to tell you guys right now, I still believe, unfortunately, that the risk is to the downside. Until we see confirmation above this yellow super trend, what we really don't want to see, if you're a short-term Pepe bull, you do not want to see a test at this and a rejection off, because if we do see that, I expect us to make new lower lows, my friends. So if you are a Pepe coin bull, what you want to see us is break above this level here at basically 5077674 and see daily candle closures above it. Now, I will say, when you look at the weekly as well, the weekly looks a little bit more promising, but we really need to see a bigger bounce than this. This is not enough, guys. You look at market cipher, the money flow is still green, but it is kind of flatlining a little bit, and we're seeing the momentum wave pretty large, and it doesn't seem like it's ready to clip just yet. We're still seeing the light blue here. Usually you want to see the light blue already clipping into the dark blue before you start to say, okay, we're going to be starting to make a further move to the upside. And on the daily as well, the money flow is very red, guys. It's very red. You have some bottom signals, like for potential relief, which I think is possible to see play out right here. A little bit of relief for the rest of March. It's possible. But guys, like, I really need to emphasize that we are really at the whims of Bitcoin and the traditional market. All this tariff talk, the Federal Reserve needs to pivot to quantitative easing. It's a very tough time to be super mega bullish on the short term, emphasis on the short term for these meme coins, unless you're going in and out on quick, high leverage scalps, which, guys, I've been making a lot of profit at doing lately. And if you guys do want to follow along with me, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as there's a trading competition going on right now. And if you join using my link down below, you become a part of my team. And the more trading volume we do together, the more rewards we get. There's a $5.6 million prize pool for this trading competition, as well as there's tons of cool rewards, like up to a $9,400 Rolex you can win after you trade. I think like 20 million trading volume, which sounds crazy, but, you know, if you're constantly going in and out of trades, that happens relatively quickly. So if you guys want to be taking advantage of this volatility, please check out down below. I think that there's great opportunity right now for this. So Pepe is sitting at rank 32, down about 1.1% in the past 7 days, up about 10% in the past 24 hours, sitting at a $2.98 billion market cap. Pretty far off the highs, but guys, like I said, this market is being driven by Bitcoin. It is being driven by the traditional market, and higher. The overarching thing is, guys, this global trade war, these tariffs are making the traditional market feel very uncertain, and it is starting to spill over, and it is bringing crypto down. It is bringing risk assets down with it. You look at the overall market, Bitcoin's trading at nearly 84K. Like I said, we're getting a little bit of relief here. Ethereum still below $2,000. Bearish for altcoins, my friends. In the short term, bearish for altcoins. Now, like I said, we can get a little bit of relief here. I think we're somewhat due for some relief, but I think that all it will create is potentially a higher low, really like a lower high, and set us up for a further breakdown. I really do believe in that. That's probably what we end up seeing for the time being, at least. We see Bitcoin dominance trade at 61.2%. Excluding stablecoins, we're basically at 63.2%. Still rallying, guys. Still rallying. Seeing Ethereum be below $2,000, guys, I am bullish on Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin right now, looking at the weekly time frame, breaking down, guys, I really do believe here, if we don't see a weekly candle closure above like 91K, we see a bullish engulfing candle here on the weekly time frame, we probably continue to see this move come down and test $73,000. Now, it may not happen this week or next week, but I do expect it to make its way and find its way down to this price level before we make moves to new all-time highs, which, guys, I have to be honest. I have to be honest with you. I do believe that there is a maybe a 50% chance that we see new all-time highs in 2025. It really, really lays on the Federal Reserve pivoting towards quantitative easing, starting to cut those interest rates. These tariffs, having the overall traditional market digest the uncertainty with these global trade tariffs. We have about 220 days left in this bull market cycle if we were to go to a T of the past 4-year cycle theory, okay? Every cycle, from this point where we're at right now, we should have basically until October to reach new all-time highs. So we need a lot to happen before we can say, okay, we're going to be headed towards new all-time highs. That's why I say there's about a 50% chance that we have this is a local top right here, or it is the macro cycle top. So there's a lot riding on this, but in the short term, guys, I am bearish on Bitcoin and altcoins. But what I'm doing right now, I am leverage trading altcoins. I am profiting because I'm a short-term trader when it comes to altcoins. And I'm taking that profit and I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm buying equities for the long haul. I'm a Bitcoin investor and an altcoin trader, my friends, okay? I do also want to say, guys, if you're stuck around this far, please go follow me at 333blacksea on Twitter. I am very, very active over there, giving you guys different trade setups and my thoughts on the market in real time. I'm over 8,000 followers now, which is pretty cool. Give me to 10,000 followers. Maybe I'll do a big $10,000 giveaway, something crazy like that. Go follow me, 333blacksea on Twitter and Instagram. But guys, so really, let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you think that Pepe is getting ready to make a break to new all-time highs? Are we going to reject it off? I know a lot of you guys probably won't be too happy with what I'm saying, but I want to be transparent with you guys. I don't want to be leading you guys to slaughter. I'm telling you, it looks like Pepe wants to test and then spill over. But like I said, if the traditional market gets a nice bounce and catches a bid, then maybe we can reclaim that bullish trend line and maybe we can start to see a bigger bounce. But right now, I am short altcoins, my friends. I'm hedging against my spot positions, making some profit, lowering my average cost basis, and buying Bitcoin and equities. It's not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is, and I just want to tell you guys my thoughts on the market. That's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.